In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save product video on Alibaba 2025, step by step. First, open your Alibaba app. If you're not already signed in, tap the sign in option and log in with your account. Follow any prompts to complete the sign in so you land on the home page. Once you're in, head to your browsing history. This is where you'll find the product listing you recently viewed, including the one with the video you want to save. Depending on your app layout, browsing history may appear under your profile area or as a clock-style icon. Either way, open it and locate the product. Tap the product to open its listing page, then tap the video section. It may autoplay, or you might need to press play to preview it. If there's a quality setting, choose the highest available, so your saved copy looks crisp. Now here's the key part. Alibaba doesn't allow direct video downloads from the app. To save the video, we'll use your phone's screen recorder. Most modern phones have a built-in screen recorder. On many devices, you'll find it in the quick settings or control center. Before you start, a couple of quick tips to get a clean recording. Enable Do Not Disturb to avoid notifications popping up. Turn up the media volume so the video sound is captured clearly, and set your screen orientation and brightness to stable levels. If your recorder has options, choose a high resolution and make sure it's set to record system audio. Start the screen recording, then immediately switch back to the Alibaba video and press play. Let the video run from the very beginning to the end without pausing, and try not to interact with the screen while it plays. If there's a full screen button, use it for the best result, and keep the phone steady to avoid accidental gestures or overlays. When the video finishes, stop the screen recording. Your phone will save the captured clip automatically to your gallery or Photos app in a screen recordings album. Open it to review the result. If the recording includes a few seconds of setup at the beginning or a tail at the end, use the built-in trim tool to clean it up. You can also rename the file and move it to your preferred folder so it's easy to find later. And that's it. You opened Alibaba, signed in, found the product through your browsing history, played the video, recorded it with your screen recorder, and saved it to your gallery. Remember to respect the creator's rights and use the recording appropriately.